Hi everyone and welcome to FinTechnology. Today I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Canva. So let's get started. So this is our video. It takes 15 seconds, no need to watch it all. So we'll just pause it. To crop the video we need to click on it like this. Then next to flip there is crop option. So we'll click on it. After that just make the screen bigger like this and you can just focus on one part like here or here. We have the option to rotate the video too, but I prefer to keep it to zero now. Anyway, I will focus on this part, so we click on done. Now let's replay the video, and this is how it has begun. This is how to crop a video in Canva. So if you find our content is helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.